Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I've got a phrase which is 3 different phrases, all for these beautiful greetings, and tēnā koe can also mean thank you, so you can say that for hello to one as well as thank you. So let's look at the pronunciation first. Tēnā. So there's macrons on both of those vowels, so it just pulls those sounds out a bit longer, so it's just not tēnā, it's tēnā. Tēnā koe. Tēnā koe, and it joins together to sound like koe, koe. Tēnā koe, hello to one, as we know from the song. Tēnā kōrua. Tēnā kōrua, hello to 2, and tēnā koutou, hello to 3 or more. And just remember, when you are greeting people in this kind of formal way, that if there are 2 people there, just be careful to remember to say tēnā kōrua, and to be teaching children about that too, and to talk about that in the song, that it isn't just words, it actually means something, and it's important to put into practice. So tēnā koe, hello to 1, tēnā kōrua, hello to 2, tēnā koutou, hello to 3 or more. And I'm sure you'll be able to practice that and use it more. It's a really good way to practice using more te reo Māori. Ka kite.